says you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your sorrow shows.